Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a very small unboxing for you from Kokorosa. I will pop a link up in the eye to my original unboxing of items from Kokorosa, but this is the second lot that they've been kind enough to send me. So let's get into the package and have a look. Okay, so I've got little one and a big one. We'll look at the small one first. Like I said, this will be a very quick unboxing, and then I will do a follow-up where I make some cards, and I think I might do that like I did last time, showing you the process and then showing you the cards at the end. So here we've got a fox and a moon. We've got some stars here and a tree. This I'm really thinking will be perfect to do as a silhouette. So same information on the back that I showed you last time. So Kokorosa are a company founded in 2019 focusing on paper crafting products. So their main focus is on cutting dies and stamping products. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. Looks very lovely. And this one was £7, which, considering how many different ways you can use this, you don't have to use it all in one piece, you can use bits and pieces separately, then yeah, I think I'll get a lot of use out of that one. The larger one, I'm actually going to take out its packet just because I think it'll be easier to see. Gives us the months of the year. So you can see here we've got all of the months of the year, and each one has got a little detail on it, and we've in fact got two different Decembers, one with some hanging decorations and stars, and another one which has got a menorah. So depending upon how you celebrate or what your main holiday is in December. So yeah, these are looking really lovely. Obviously, we're currently in March. At the time of recording this, it is St. Patrick's Day. So I can see here that March has got the four-leaf clover or the shamrock on there. So then we're going to be going into April showers. We've got with the umbrella. May, we've got some sunshine happening. And with sometimes in the UK do we have a sunny May. It can go both ways. May, June, even more sunshine, so we're sort of seeing that sun come brighter. July, what have we got for July? So this is less useful perhaps for me, but July here appears to be hinting towards the 4th of July because we've got stars and stripes on this one. So August, I can't see, oh there it is, August, we've got a windmill, so sort of holidays. September, of course, we've got an apple for back to school. Also, from a pagan point of view, September is when we celebrate Mabon, and apples are central to Mabon celebrations as well, so that's quite nice. October, we've got a pumpkin, so Halloween for some, Samhain for me. November gives us, we've got some, we've got a leaf here, and I'm not sure what that is there. I have to see when it, I'll put up some pictures as well so you can see. And then, as I said, December, so February's got a heart. January has got snow, so we didn't get much in the way of snow this year, but yeah, so these are a little bit fragile in their joins, but I think that they will be fine. I just need to make sure that I keep them flat, and I've got little bags and things to keep them in. So these particularly I want to use on a planner page, and in fact I might do sort of a birthday list or something to go in the front of my planner. And this one is definitely going to become an art card. So do keep an eye on my channel to see more of these products being used. If I have intrigued you to want to try out Kokorosa for yourself, links will be down below. They have given me a code for 25% off that I can offer to all of my subscribers. That is L46543. I will put that on the screen, and obviously it will all be down below as well. So do go and check out Kokorosa Studio. Their products are really reasonably priced. There's something for everybody. They also sell die cutting machines now, so if that's something that you wanted to look at, if you've never done die cutting before, yeah, there's a lot on there, so do check them out. Yeah, if you don't want to miss future videos, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified next time I upload. Please do consider sharing this video with a friend, leaving a comment below, popping on over to Patreon and seeing what we can offer you over there as well. I'm going to leave this here, short and sweet, and until next time, stay crafty!